There are many ways to make more money. There are many things people can choose to do to increase their income. But at Profit Acumen, we believe in a very different approach. We empower professionals to leverage on what they are good at, what they know, what they have, what they excel in. That is where to start. Many people have a mindset of endlessly pursuing money through various means. It's akin to chasing a cat. The more you chase it, the more it eludes you. Instead, think of money like a cat that is attracted to what it desires. If you have a saucer of milk, the cat will be drawn to you. So don't you think it's time for you to change your strategy? Attract money by offering people solutions to their problem using your education, your experience, and your expertise. By providing value and addressing their needs, you will naturally draw financial rewards to you.